Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you enable the dark mode on your Snapchat application from your Android device, then you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clean method as well. If that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. But first, to make sure we have the dark mode option on our Snapchat application, of course, open Play Store and simply search for Snapchat right here. Once you find it, go ahead and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to actually have that dark mode option on the app itself. After that, you can quit from the store and open Snapchat. From here, make sure you are logged into your account, and as you can see here guys, once I swipe left to go to the conversations, my Snapchat is on light mode. To turn on the dark mode, tap here in the top left corner on your Bitmoji. As you can see here guys, every bit of the application is on light mode, and to turn on the dark mode, simply go to settings, tap here in the top right corner on this gear icon, and you'll be taken to settings just like that. From here, you need to find an option that is named App Appearance. You might need to scroll down a little bit to find it. And here it is right here guys. Tap on it to open it. And here we go guys. From here it's actually very simple. All you need to do to turn on the dark mode is to tap on Always Dark right under Always Light. Once you tap on it, you'll be required to restart the application. So tap on Restart now. And here we go guys. The app is fully on dark mode and every single bit of it is on dark mode guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in comments, and if you have any friend that wants to turn on dark mode on their mobile device, send this video to them. It might be useful to them. And of course, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe guys.